Guys, you spend too much money on bikes. That's what I can tell you for sure. Welcome to the studio, Danny here, Shimano Deore M6000. I have been testing this group set for thousands of kilometers. Last year I did already a pretty good review of this one in extreme conditions. Long races, muddy races where there was mud, water and also freezing temperature. So it worked flawlessly. It really worked flawlessly. It is a good group set. Why is it so unappreciated? That's what I want to tell you. First off, Shimano says that Shimano Deore is the lowest mountain bike group set. If you go lower for the Allivio or Altus, these are not specifically designed for mountain biking. You can ride on Allivio. Allivio is wonderful. Altus is okay. But Deore is a true mountain bike group set and it will work very well in different conditions on different mountain bikes. That's for sure. I've been racing on this group set and it's just perfect. Why? Number one, the shifting performance. It's just very good. The cassette, the teeth of the chain rings on the chain set are quite advanced and they work well with the chain. So the shifting performance is very good in any given condition. Number two, the brakes. I don't have the Deore brakes on this bike, but I have Altus. I had the bike on the Deore. I also have SLX and XT. All of these are very good. Of course, if you find like maybe you would like to have more power, go to the discobrakes.com. It's not a paid ad. And find their ceramic or Kevlar pads for your brakes. They have it for most of the models. Shimano, no problem, and you will just brake with one finger. But anyway, Deore with the original pads work very well, and the levers, braking levers, are made to be used with one finger only, which I always recommend. Not even two, but just one. If you have the powerful brakes, you can do it, and it's much more safe and it's much better for your palms. So shifting performance, braking is great, and the rear derailleur is now since what, 2 seasons in the Shadow Plus system. So it's hidden more behind the shadow of the bike, of the frame, and also it's got the clutch, which makes the derailleur work very stable, in a stable way on the muddy terrain, on the bumpy terrain. So shifting, rear derailleur, brakes, very good. Why don't you buy bikes with this group set? First off, because there is not many bikes with a complete group set. That's one thing. And other thing, I see on the questions you've been asking me so far, you will be asking those. You want to buy $800 new mountain bike and you see that some manufacturer gives you the XT rear derailleur. The frame is cheap, the fork is coil, the drivetrain is 2x10, but you see this XT rear derailleur and you want to have that. Don't look at that. Deore is very good group set. I don't think anyone actually produces the bike with complete Deore, like Deore brakes, drivetrain and the hubs. They also have the hubs. But if you have at least the shifters and the drivetrain, that's great. The brakes are also very good from Shimano Deore M6000. So it's been tested by me. I can guarantee you will be happy with it. If you have clean housings and cables, the shifting is great. And also if the cable routing on your bike is okay, because some models of some brands have too many different curves for or bends for the housing, and then it's not as smooth, but shifting is great. Now, Deore means 2x10, so you have 10-speed cassette, but you have all the systems in the shifter that SLX has. So multiple shifting, two-way release, it has it. It doesn't have the instant release and multiple release, which only XT and XTR have, not even SLX. Price-wise, Deore is half the price, is less than half the price of the XT, and it's 20% cheaper than the SLX. If you think about upgrading to XT, XTR, okay, SLX is fine because it's still quite cheap, but this one is cool. I don't see any reason why I would upgrade from Deore upwards, unless you're getting very good in mountain biking and you're racing, you want to have light bike, or you just have the budget, buy XTR. Why not? Buy XTR, guys. It will be lighter. You won't appreciate all the systems, you won't even know they exist. But no problem. If you are on the budget and you think, should I spend what, $200 on Deore or $300 or on SLX, buy Deore and save some money for good helmet, food, whatever. Deore M6000, it's great. On the next episode, I'm gonna tell you what are the mistakes when you buy the bike. I've mentioned a little bit, but I want to really even repeat that throughout my channel and my videos. Guys, 9 days to the ultra marathon countdown. Give your thoughts in the comments. Any questions? See you soon. Bye bye.